Question 26. Z is a gaseous hydrocarbon which has a density of 3.5 times 10 to the power negative 3 grams per centimeters cubed under room conditions. Z reacts with an excess of hot concentrated acidified potassium permanganate. Only one type of carboxylic acid is formed in this reaction. Now, they are asking us of the identity of Z. Now, if I use this but2 in, this is the one here. Now, when you use hot concentrated acidified, you are going to break this one into two and then you oxidize these ones. So which one are we going to get here? CH3, COOH. That is the one we get this side and also this side here. So that is one type. Then how about this one here? But2 in. So I'm going to have CH3. It is 2,3-dimethyl. So there is a methyl group here. Then there is another one here. And then CH3. That means when we break this one here, we are going to get, and we oxidize here, we are going to get CH3, then CO, CH3. So this is what you get here and also what you get here. And this is a ketone. It is not a carboxylic acid. So this one is off. B has to be off. Then hex 2 in is CH3, then CH, double bond, CH, then CH2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, and then 6. So when you break this one here, you are going to get CH3, COOH when you oxidize. Then the other one is going to be CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Okay, these are two different carboxylic acids. So this one has to also be off. But then when we check D is CH3, X3 in, CH2, CH, then there is CH here, then CH2, CH3. This one is symmetrical, just like but2 in. That means when we break this one here and then we oxidize, we are going to get one carboxylic acid, which is propanoic acid. Okay, so our answer has to be on A and D, but which one is it? Now let's look at the MR values here. Density is equal to mass over the volume. So let's look at the MR for but2. Since this is C4, then H8, okay, we are going to have 4 times 12. That one is going to give us 4 times 12. And to get 48, 48 plus 8, that is 56, I think. So you are going to get 56 over, then the volume. If it is done under room conditions and this one is a gas, then we are going to have 24,000. Okay, it is in cubic centimeters, so 24,000. And then for this one here, we are going to have, it is going to be C6, then H has to be 12. Because you know that the general formula is CnH2n. Okay, now what is 6 times 12? That one will give us 72, then plus 12, that one gives us 84. So the density is going to be 84 over 24000. Okay, so which one gives us this answer here? 56 divided by 24000. This one gives us 2.3 recurring times 10 to the power negative 3. But if I put 84 here, this one gives us the 3.5 times 10 to the power negative 3. And this one is for the last one, so the answer has to be a D.